Hello everyone. I just wanted to share my feedback about this technical analysis course. It is my first exposure to technical analysis. Before this, also, I was into trading, but was handling through fundamental studies only. The share market is not new for me. I worked as a dealer with Sher Khan and Motilal Oswal Securities Limited. But then also I couldn't studied technical analysis and not implemented any technical analysis strategies because I was getting call from my experts team and worked on fundamental only. I have been thinking about doing technical analysis course since a long time, but couldn't find a reliable source. When I came to know that he is conducting the course, so I decided to not miss this chance. I know him since when he is implementing and studying the technical analysis strategies. And mainly his course is focusing on knowledge based trading, applying some rules and indicators we can trade on our own for initial days. The course taught us the topics like candle bar, moving average, super trend indicators, scanners, and all. These insight is quite useful for me to take informed and calculated risk in equity market. And also, how can we minimize our loss and risk? He explained a strategy which should be strictly followed, stop loss and trading stop loss and all. Apart from the basics of technical analysis, more importantly, this training include active review of homework and personal trading system. So I can select the stocks on my own knowledge after studying his indicators and his training. He's a very knowledgeable and dedicated person. The best part, what I thought about this course is commitment of Yatinji to hold our hands lifelong till we want to be associated with him. This kind of commitment is not offered by any instructor. But of course, repeatedly he is telling to analyze the market, practice the strategies. If we don't have the trading studies, we can do trading on our own, like in a small quantity also. There were specific tricks he told us to help us to navigate the market and suit the need of individual. And his patience in explaining and revise the topics multiple times for us to understand them is very commendable. Hence, I would recommend this course to all those trading enthusiasts and like to start earning money from market and even take it up as a career and restart our career like how I will start now. Thank you.
Hey everyone, this is Rakesh. I joined Yatin for a class on technical analysis during the month of June 2021. I would like to say that this is an eye-opening class. I've been trading before without much knowledge on the technical analysis. I read about technical analysis in books, but I was not able to implement them or discuss the learnings with someone. I got this opportunity to discuss one-on-one with Yatin, and that has really helped to open up my eye for understanding the equity market. Right. So the indicators are simple, and the way in which the course is taken really helps you to understand the equity market and come up with a trading plan uh, which you can follow to get the best results out of the market, right? So the main knowledge is Even if you hit your stop losses and if you lose some trades, you will at least understand why you are missing those trades, and definitely you will understand why you are gaining money on the stock market too, right? So that knowledge, I think, is critical. uh, Without that knowledge, I don't think you can be confident in the stock market. So I'll highly recommend people taking this course, and looking forward to a lot of discussions with Yatin to bounce off my ideas. Thanks.
I had just completed the course on technical analysis with Jatin, and for me, it has been a wonderful course which I had attended. Actually, I can clearly give you a differentiation of what actually is happening in the market and how Yatin is giving us inputs. So I had gone through number of online courses, gone through books, and they used to give me so much of inputs. Means the number of indicators given by those people are so many that sometimes I have to search for the chart where the chart is. So it used to become difficult for me to trade in that case. So I even have lost money in that. But the way Yatin taught me on reading charts and the bare minimum indicators that are being used in trading is really helping me. And now I'm very much uh, clear on what I have to do further, because I had gone through classes, but I was not able to enter the trade or exit the trade. So I was not very clear on that. And also the people who are doing online classes, there are so many people online. They may be in hundreds and thousands, and uh, the number of people in his class is kept to bare minimum. So it is more focused on individuals, and that helps individuals to clear his doubts and be more focused on how to trade, and doubts are cleared on the spot directly. So that has been my good part which I learned from Yatin. And also one of the main aspects is searching for stocks. So after you learn the trade, and then you start searching for stocks, so which stock to trade now. So the screeners provided by him has really helped us in searching for the stock. So we are very sure on which stock to trade in. So that will be more useful rather than spending time in searching for stock across the uh, uh, on trading network. So thank you, Jasmine. Thanks a lot for providing this knowledge and this support. Thanks a lot.
So, hello everyone, I'm Nitin. So, everyone here gets into the stock market by an idea to get the maximum profit and the minimum loss. So, that's how I entered the market like 2, 3 years ago, and I burnt my fingers. I lost a good amount of money because whatever trades I did, it was based on the recommendations. There was no any kind of analysis done from my side. So post that, I tried to exit, but it was full of loss, and I stopped trading completely in the stock market. So after like recently, I got to know about the course of technical analysis by Yatin. So so I thought of like getting back into the market, um, in which the analysis will be done by myself only, and so I will be confident of getting into the stock, and I know like how the stock will behave because the analysis has been done by me only. So the course which Yatin has conducted has helped me understand what technical analysis is and how to get into the specific stock and why I should go into that stock. It's not something that we go in blindly. We study based on the inputs which we learned from the course, and that has been very helpful. So for the course, which is over a period of 4 weeks, for each week we have to do our homework, which is a really important task, and Yatin makes sure that we do it. And this has helped actually to understand how the practice we do over a period of 4 weeks. It helps us a lot in understanding everything. And the strategies which has been shared by Yatin, he's helping me take a look on the stocks on a daily basis and understand, like, yeah, this is the stock that I would like to get in, and I can say confidently, yeah, this is why I'm getting in, and I know when to exit out also. And one thing what I liked is, like, Yatin has made sure that the class is very limited, and we even Yatin is even ready to get on a one-to-one session where even if you are not clear on a specific uh, whatever has been taught for that week, and Yatin has been very open to that. Um, and the second most important part is the discipline, which has been instilled by Yatin, and we have to make sure that we stick to what we have decided on the stock market. So these are the 2 points that are very helpful for me, like the strategy, and the second part is the discipline. So these are the 2 points which are very important for to be successful in the trading market. And thank you, Yatin, for this. Thank you very much.
मैं अनिल ठाकरे। ये टेक्निकल एनालिसिस मेरे लिए बहुत नया अनुभव था। एक बार मैं यूट्यूब चला रहा था, तो मैंने यतीन सर का चैनल देखा, तो सर ने रिलायंस के बारे में एक सिग्नल दिया था। रिलायंस का शेयर मेरे पास में करीबन 1-1.5 महीने पहले से था, लेकिन वो जितना का उतना ही था। लेकिन जब सर ने बताया, उसके बाद कंटिन्यू वो रिलायंस का जो शेयर था वो 1950 से 22 तक पहुंच गया। तो मेरे लिए बड़ा मैजिक था। मैंने कहा ये कैसे हो गया। तो मैं टेक्निकल एनालिसिस सीखने के लिए नहीं जुड़ा। मैंने कहा सर से अगर कुछ टिप मिल जाए तो यही बहुत बड़ी बात है। लेकिन मैं जब क्लास अटेंड किया और मैंने इसमें जो सर ने टूल दिए है, उससे अब इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हो गया है कि किस शेयर में कब इंटर करना है, कब एग्जिट करना है, ये मैं खुद ही डिसाइड कर सकता हूँ। और कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा बढ़ गया है। पहले ये पूरा गैम्बलिंग जैसा लगता था कि भाई अपन ने कोई शेयर खरीदा तो 2 चांस थे, या तो ऊपर जाएगा या तो नीचे आएगा। लेकिन टेक्निकल एनालिसिस से हम इस परसेंटेज को 70, 80, 90 तक ले जा सकते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। ओके। ठीक है।
हाय। टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में जो जुड़ने का मेरा ये है कि मैंने लास्ट 2-3 महीना पहले, एक्चुअली मैं इंट्रोडक्शन करता हूँ, मैं शंकर बात कर रहा हूँ। और टेक्निकल एनालिसिस में मेरा एंट्री एक इंट्रोडक्टरी सेक्शन में जो था उनका, वो मैंने सेशन अटेंड किया। उसके बाद में मुझे कुछ ऐसा लगा कि इसके पहले हम लोगों ने जो भी ट्रेडिंग रेफरल से किए थे या उसके ऊपर सोच रहे थे, और डर था कि हम लोग इसमें टिकेंगे कि नहीं टिकेंगे। मतलब एक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि हम लोग ये करेंगे, मतलब ये बिजनेस है या क्या है। जब भी मुझे ये इंट्रोडक्शन सेशन को मैंने अटेंड किया, उसके बाद में मुझे एक कॉन्फिडेंट लगा कि हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखेंगे, जो हम लोगों को लॉन्ग टर्म पे मतलब करियर डेवलपमेंट के लिए काम आ जाएगा। तो उसके बाद में मैंने टेक्निकल एनालिसिस को ज्वाइन करने के बाद में बेसिक जो ट्रेडिंग का ट्रिक्स होता है वो लर्न किया। उसके बाद में हम लोग होमवर्क भी कंटिन्यूस कर रहे हैं, तो उसकी वजह से एक आइडिया भी आ रहा है। और धीरे धीरे हम लोग जो 1 महीने का ट्रेनिंग पीरियड है, उसी में हम लोगों ने बेसिक ट्रेडिंग का एंट्री भी कर लिया है। तो एक आइडिया भी आ चुका है कि हम कहाँ पे एंटर होना है, कहाँ पे रुकना है, हम लोग का मतलब कहाँ पे रुक के मिनिमम लॉस हम लोग कर सकते हैं। तो ये थोड़ा हम लोगों का परफेक्टली आइडिया मिल चुका है। और लॉन्ग टर्म पे यतीन जी का मुझे सपोर्ट उन्होंने अश्योर्ड किया ही है, तो वो भी बात हम लोगों के लिए पॉजिटिव है। कि जहाँ पे हम लोगों को लगेगा कि हम लोग ये नहीं समझ पा रहे, तो ये भी मेरे लिए पॉजिटिव होगा। और दूसरी बात है कि उन लोगों ने मतलब यतीन जी ने जो स्क्रीनर्स हम लोगों को प्रोवाइड किए, उसके बेनिफिट से हम लोग एंट्री एग्जिट सही ढंग से कर पाएंगे और आगे भी जाके हम लोग कुछ आगे बढ़ेंगे। यतीन जी ने सही ढंग से हम लोगों को वर्कआउट दिया है, ट्रेडिंग का प्लान भी हमसे लिया है, तो और डिसिप्लिन का प्रैक्टिस उन्होंने लिया है और ट्रेडिंग में क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए उसके स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स उन्होंने हम लोगों को प्रोवाइड किए कि इमोशंस के साथ में खेल के हम लोग ट्रेडिंग में करें ना। हम लोग यहाँ पे पैसा कमाने के लिए आए हैं, तो उसी के ऊपर हम लोग सीख रहे हैं। कोई भी स्टॉक अच्छा और बुरा नहीं होता है, जो स्टॉक हमें पैसा देता है वो अच्छा होता है, जो नहीं देता है वो बुरा होता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। एवरेज स्टॉक इज बेटर, तो उसको हम लोग एनालिसिस करें। इसलिए हम लोग टेक्निकल एनालिसिस, ये वर्ड जो उन्होंने चूज किया है, मैं उसको एक्चुअली अप्रिशिएट करता हूँ कि टेक्निकल एनालिसिस कंटिन्यूस रहे और हम लोगों को ये नॉलेज बढ़ती रहे। थैंक्स।
To start with, there is some history behind why I joined this course. So there was pretty long time back when I had entered into the share market, and I didn't know anything. I didn't even know these words like fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and anything like that. And one of the main reason for entering into the share market was to get to know all these terms because my friends used to talk about it and I didn't understand anything. I used to feel awkward over there. So I opened my Demat account and started trading. I used to get some tips from the Demat. Wherever I had my Demat account, they had assigned one person to me and they used to tell, okay, buy this, sell this, and so on. So without understanding anything, just as a matter of experiment, I used to buy something and sell something. So I had quite some profit, like 40,000 or some around that I earned. And then the stock, which had given me a lot many returns, it started hitting the lower circuit. So I just could not sell it because I couldn't set a price below the 5%. And if I set it above 5%, then it would anyway not get executed. So in front of my eyes, I could see the stock, going down day by day, and I lost all my 40,000 rupees that I had gained. Somehow, then I decided to not to do this because there are a lot of factors beyond our control into it. There are a lot many bigger players who have all inside information, and there are full-time traders and so on. That was somewhere around 15 years back. But then 15 years back, I just left trading and my Demat account and everything was just lying around. Now again, I thought of getting into this because I thought, okay, let's find out if there are any better ways to do it. And I could, I mean, when I used to talk to Yatin Dada, he would tell a few things, and those predictions used to come correct. And there was lot many jargon which I was not uh, sure about. Not even sure, like I didn't even know about. So right on the first day, I learned these lot many things. Also, they are such beautiful techniques, and there is see there can be a lot of talks about it, but unless some theory talks in the sense there could be a lot of theories, but unless some uh, practical outputs are shown as a matter of proof, even in science we have some proof, and then only the theory will be established. So here, whatever techniques are told, they're basically theories, and we cannot say this theory works or not work. But when we see actually the practical output of that no other no other option but to accept that these theories are correct. And I don't know how much time has been spent in coming up with these theories, but they are so accurate. And again, as the testimonies say that, and it has been proved by the data that there are a lot of profits that people have got about it. And now when I analyze my knowledge base now and the one that I had previously, like 15 years back, there is just huge difference. I mean, I'm sure that I will not make those mistakes that I made previously over here. Um, this has been really very useful. This could be life changing for many of us. And this is technical analysis, but at the same time, I would say this is a fundamental analysis of the people's psychology, like the traders' psychology, how they are going to do it, how it's going to, what they are going to think, and accordingly, their thinking reflects onto the charts, and that's from where we infer the data, and then we take our decisions. Absolutely great techniques, absolutely great support. The patience with which this all has been taught is just too good. I don't think anyone anywhere in the industry uh, has this amount of patience. I really appreciate for all this patience and uh, you know explaining the things in these many details. This is just too good. Uh, Thank you so much. Yeah.